Hello, you can contact me for downloading and installing many SAP versions on your PC, network, cloud. This is SAP S/4HANA 2025. You can see over here. You can see this is lifetime activated. This is S/4HANA 2025. You can check, and these are the components. This is SAP S/4HANA 2025 and it is lifetime activated. You can launch Fiori from here. Give the username and password. Okay, this is Fiori. You can contact me for downloading and installing many SAP versions including ECC6, S/4HANA versions are available. You can contact me for downloading and installing on your computer, network, cloud. Thanks for watching the video.